Hey everyone, this is me Sia. I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am going to talking about English. Okay, if you learn this language, so this video is helpful for you. Okay, why we are learn this language? Okay, when you start your English journey, we are not focused on anything. We try to learn this language. Why we learn this language? Why should we learn this language? We are not think anything. That's why we are spend lots of time, and this journey take much time. Okay, so I was tell you when my previous video that why should learn this language. So you also ask yourself, if you seen my lots of video, I am always told you that when you start your English journey, you ask yourself that why should I learn this language, because this is a very important question mark. Okay, when you know that why I'm learn this language, so this journey is going to be easy for you. Okay, when you start your English journey, if you learn this language for any kind of exam, so you focus on grammar rule. Okay, because at that time you need to learn grammar rule. If you speak this language, doesn't matter, that is not helpful for you, because if you're not aware of grammar rule, because grammar rule is very important for any kind of exam. If you're preparing for some exam, if you learn this language only speaking, so you focus on listening. When you listen, okay, so you are put headphone in your ear and focus on whatever video you watch. Okay, which kind of sentence they make you focus, and you try to repeat that sentence. When you see vocabulary, so you make sentence. Lots of people, they only try to learn this language, but how learn this language, they are not focusing. Okay, so make sure you are focusing on listening and try to listen in actively. Okay, when you listen actively, so your subconscious mind get that word. When you try to speak this language, automatically word came to your mouth. Okay, and also one more thing, when you listen, you try to speak. Okay, you explain your whole day. You speak like 10 to 15 minutes in a day. Okay, if you not have topic, what happened with us when we try to practice, so we are not have any kind of topic. If we are speak in a 1 month, 2 month, but after 2 months we are not have any kind of topic. Okay, so try to explain your daily routine, what you did, okay, in a whole day. So your vocabulary also increase. And one more thing, you find out other topic. Okay, don't depend on daily routine topic. If you not have any kind of topic, so you are speak on daily routine. But if you have topic, so that is a very good thing. That's why they are not speak this language properly. Okay, so if you follow those rules, so this language is very easy for you. I'm seeing lots of people, even child, they speak this language very good. Why? Because they create their own environment. Their parents, they create their environment for them. Okay, so you are create your environment. If you not have environment, don't worry. Lots of people, they are find excuses. Okay, that I'm not this, that's why I'm not learn this language. But if you learn this language, if this is your passion, so you are definitely learn this language. Okay, so don't focus on excuses, find out ways, okay, how to learn this language. Okay, and one more thing, if you learn this language, you are continue with this journey, so don't quit and don't break your consistency. This is a not a 1 month journey, 6 month journey, 1 year journey. This is a long life journey. If you break your consistency, when you start again, you are going to be zero, and you start on zero. Okay, so try to learn every single day. You are practice with someone, so many people, they are trying to learn this language, so you are speak with them, you connected with them, and you practice with them. Okay, so you increase your confident. When you speak with some other people, so you know that where your level. Okay, so find out your level. Always focus on getting fluency. Okay, lots of people, they are speak this language, they spend lots of time, but they are not what is the fluency. Okay, fluency is when you know everything. Okay, if you learn this language, you are beginner. If you connected with native speaker, they are speak advanced English. If you understand their English, at that time you are know that you are getting fluency. Okay, so try to learn like them. Okay, how you learn like them? You listen them. Okay, when you listen them, so you know that how to speak like them, and then you increase day by day. So if you learn like this, so you definitely speak this language. Follow small kind of step. Okay, don't spend your much time. Okay, if you have 1 hour in a day, that's sufficient for this language. What people, they are doing mistake, they spend all the time means they spend their whole day. Okay, and then they find out that what I'm learned today, so they are not aware of anything. Why? Because they are putting so much. So if you're putting so much in your head, so how your mind remember? Your mind is not remember. So learn every day. Put minimum but repeating mode. Repeat again and again. If you learn 5 vocabulary in a day, so repeat in a 5 to 10 time. Okay, so that is helpful for you. Okay, so I hope you're getting my point. If you, then please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Have a nice day.